Hello, good morning all of you. Please mention whether the audio video is clear. Mention in the chat. Let me just check. Okay. Okay. So everything proper, right? So let's start then. I'm properly audible and properly visible, right? All of you? Yes. So welcome all of you to the first topic. We are discussing the topic percentages and fraction. This is a topic as it is important, and also this is a topic which is needed for other chapters to do faster. So this is like some basic things that you need for other chapters also we'll be discussing here. So yes प्रखर वो हाफ एन आवर लेट स्टार्ट किया था, वो अनअकैडमी सर्वर में एक इश्यू था, वो इश्यू सॉर्ट करने के लिए आधा घंटा लगा. सो 9 o'clock वो स्टार्ट किया, उसका रिकॉर्डिंग अवेलेबल है प्रखर. ओके, एंड ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज इनवाइट योर फ्रेंड्स, लेट मोर पीपल join this course. This is a complete free course. Yesterday I saw many messages, will it be free completely? Yes, believe me, it will be a completely free course. It will not be like after a few days I will say that it is a paid course, now you can attend the paid course only for this course. No, it's a completely free course. So invite more people. That is the only thing I'm requesting all of you. Invite all these GATE aspirants. All 29 subjects are there for GATE. All of them have the same aptitude section itself. So invite all your GATE aspirant friends to attend this session. Voice is low. Let me check. Voice is proper, na? I think voice is proper only. Okay, let me check if... Is the voice proper now? Okay now? Okay, so this is the complete schedule of this course. Yesterday I gave an overview of the GATE general aptitude section. What is the syllabus? What are the topics? What are the important topics? This is actually the course details of course details. GATE general aptitude overview is completed. Today we will be discussing percentages and fractions, and tomorrow ratio and proportion. Yeah, these two are connected chapters, and what you learn from these two chapters will be very helpful to do monetary problem. So that's it. So let's start. For the new people, this is the bio of me, and these are the details of my Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. To be part of my WhatsApp group, you can text to this number 8075116641. You will get an automatic link giving you resources of not only WhatsApp group, Telegram channel, the book I have written, mobile application, all the free resources I provide, the website, and all other free resources you can access by texting to this number. Or ye mera, these are the other books I have written, and this is the bestseller book for CSIR-NET Part A if you want a printed material for Part A preparation. Okay, so I told you one more question, two more questions are there in general aptitude. So we will start today's topic, percentages and fractions. So the problem that we face is we depend upon school day mathematics a lot, even for finding percentages, which is a very important tool in many other chapters, like speed distance time chapter mein percentage chahiye, like numbers chapter mein percentage chahiye, monetary problem chapter mein, linear equation solving wala question may be sometimes they can connect it to percentages and fraction, ratio proportion chapter mein. So there the problem is we are not able to do percentages faster using mental math. So the first thing I'm going to train you is that in 1 hour 15 minutes we need to cover this entire topic. So I'll go a little faster. just a minute. So for example, 23% of 1200. For example, you are going to a shop and you are seeing that there is a 23% discount on a product. You need to know how much money you will save if that discount was not there. For example, this Amazon sale tomorrow, I think there is a sale starting, na? Big Billion, what is the name, Big Billion or some other Great Indian Sale or Flipkart sale. There are many discounts will be there. For example, you can take that example itself. Think that Amazon is not showing you the final price. Amazon is only telling that there will be a 23% discount on the iPhone. iPhone price, normal iPhone price se bhi 23% come hai. Or iPhone price, if you don't want to take, you take a smaller thing like a pen drive. 1200 rupee wala pen drive hai. Normally 1200 rupee hai uska price, lekin abhi 23% discount hai. So kitna rupee save kar sakta hai, that we need to know. So to know that, you don't have to do actually 23 by 100 into 1200. Yes, if you do that, you will get the answer. But that is not the way you need to do in exam hall. And some of you may be saying, virtual calculator is there, then why we need to think about this step? Virtual calculator hai to bhi, first you need to understand what to enter in the virtual calculator. Na? For that, first we need to understand this step. Uske baad 23 into 12. 23 into 12, either paper mein aisa karna padega, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 3, 3, 1 into 2, 2, 6, 7, 2. But this is very time consuming, na? All these can be avoided if you change your perspective towards percentages and fraction, or in other words, if you understand percentages and fraction as a single concept. So that is what I am going to train you first. What is the connection between percentages and fractions? So 23% of 1200, this is how you need to analyze. 23% ko I can break it down. Now, some of you very good. All of you already found the value. Very good. Exactly, Manya. So how to save that time, that is what I am going to tell you. And virtual calculator में ये enter करना बहुत ही time consuming है. 2, 3, 1, 2. क्योंकि virtual calculator available for GATE exam, it is not that handy. You have to use the mouse and enter it. That is very time consuming. Unless there is no other way, then only use virtual calculator. Like very complicated cases where the values to be entered is less, but the simplification using mental math is complicated. Only in that case use virtual calculator. That is one thing I want to tell you for GATE aspirants and for CSIR-NET and other competitive exam aspirants also. Virtual calculator we cannot depend completely. Keep that in mind. Okay, so 23% of 1200 find करने के लिए 23% को 20% और 3% का sum सोचना गलत नहीं है ना. For example, logically think, you have a glass of water. ये total 100 liter water है तो 20 liter और 3 liter का sum है ना 23 liter. Same thing is in terms of percentage also. Like 100% में 20% के साथ 3% add किया तो 23% obviously मिलेगा. अभी ये 20% फाइन करना मुश्किल है तो 10% फाइन करो. फाइन 10% and double it, or 10% plus 10% will be 20% now. And this 3% you can think like 1%, 1%, 1%. Are you understanding? So 23% is nothing but 10% का double, 1% का triple, ये तीनों का sum. ये 10% और 1% का speciality क्या है? वो फाइन करना बहुत ही easy है ना. एक नंबर का 10%, like 10% rate of interest. 1000 rupees का 10% rate of interest 100 है, that you automatically know because we know 10% is 1/10 of the number. 1/10 of the number. How all of you know that? 10% is 1/10 of the number. And that is the connection between percentages and fractions. Percentage 10% and 1/10 fraction, ये दोनों का meaning same है. क्योंकि 100% by 10 is 10%. So 1/10 of 100%. Percentage means out of 100. Per means out of total 100. So that is why 1/10 is 10%. As 1/10 is 10%, to find 10% is just shifting one decimal to the left. That is 120. So 10% 120 है तो 20% 240 होगा ना. 120 plus 120 240 होगा ना, all of you. अभी सिमिलरली 1% फाइंड करना भी बहुत ही इजी है. 100% by 100 is 1%. So 1 by 100th of the number is 1%. मतलब 2 डेसिमल लेफ्ट शिफ्ट किया तो 1% मिलेगा. 1200 का 1% 12 होगा. Did you all understood 1200 का 1% 12 क्यों है? 1% 12 है तो 3% 12 plus 12 plus 12 36. ऐसा सोचना इजी है ना. So 23% of 1200 फाइंड करने का इसी तरीका ये है 240 और 36 ऐड करना. Isn't that easy than doing 23 by 100 into 1200? Some people still feel, why can't this be done? This is easier, na? That is because you haven't unlearned your school day math. The law of inertia is working. Your brain will not allow you to change unless you force it. That is very important. 15 years or 20 years you may have practiced it. Paper math. वो paper math को remove करना या replace करना, you need to take an extra effort. So वो unlearning process is very important. Unlearn and relearn math. Unlearn and relearn logical thinking. Our school system unfortunately was not promoting logical thinking or logical systems. Mathematics was purely something to be mugged up or rote learned. That is first thing what I want you to change. And in this course, I will try to make you change that as much as possible. Okay, so सबको clear है ना 23% कैसा फाइन करना है? Now shall we practice this more? 23% है तो 21%, 22% ये सब similar है. So 100% पूरा नंबर है तो 10% उसका 1/10 होगा, 1% उसका 12, उसका 1 by 100 होगा. So biotech I will repeat in English also. Okay, this is the challenge that I have. Which language to, yeah, you people, can you people comment which language you prefer more? 3 options are there. Do you prefer me to completely teach in English, completely teaching Hindi, or English and Hindi mix? English and Hindi mix means Hinglish, we can say Hinglish, Hindi English mix. Can you mention in the chat? Yeah, those of you want to join the Telegram channel, Swati has sent the message link. That is a Telegram channel connected to this GATE course. 1 second, I will tag it so that you can easily. PDF we are providing in the Telegram channel itself, Deepak. In the Telegram channel you can check. PDF is available already. Yesterday's PDF I have already sent in the Telegram channel, or the mobile application also. So which one you prefer, Hindi, English or English? Completely English, Hindi mix. Okay, majority of you are opting for English. So we'll go with that itself. Yeah, I'm more fluent in English than Hindi, but as a good amount of people prefer English, we will go with English itself. Those people who have doubt, you can mention, and you people also can help each other. That is very important. If someone is not understanding, you can help others to understand better. Those people who understand English better, those people who are confident in English, help out others to make them understand. Those people who understand Hindi better, please help them. Those people who are more fluent in Hindi. Just a minute. Okay, so itna clear hai na? So 10%, 1% clear hai. Matlab, I told you every percentage have a connected fraction. 100% is 1 by 1. 10% is 1 by 10. 1% is 1 by 100. Similarly, all other percentages. 23% is 23 by 100. लेकिन 23 by 100 directly find करना इतना easy नहीं है. इसलिए हम वो break down कर रहा है ये fancy percentage या fancy fraction के हिसाब से. That is the idea. So 10% पता है तो 20%, 30% उसका multiples होगा ना. Similarly 1% पता है तो उसका multiple होगा 2%, 3%, 4%, etc. So then can you find 31% very fast, all of you? 31%. I'll give you 30 seconds. That is enough and more. Answer 31% very fast in the chat. very good. Many of you got it right. Wonderful, wonderful. So I think you got the idea. Now we are going to extend this idea to many cases that will totally change your perspectives about percentages and totally change your perspective about math itself. And many people yesterday, the complaint you told in the class that why you can't attend general aptitude section confidently was you are afraid of math. That the first step we are doing here, how to avoid that fear of math, that is what I am going to show you. Yeah, let me check. Very good, very good. Very true, Wasim. Yeah, those people who are attending the session, if you hit this like button, definitely that will help YouTube to recommend this video to maximum people. And that is one courtesy that you can show. If you feel this session is useful and this free course is useful for you people, do share this video to maximum people, or at least hit the like button. That itself will help this video to circulate to more and more people. So 31% find करने का easy तरीका क्या है? 30% के साथ 1% ऐड करना है. 30% क्या है? 1200 का 120 हो गया 10%. 120 120 120 ऐड किया तो 360 हो गया. And 1% will be shifting 2 decimal to the left. That will be 12 added, that is 372. Are you all understanding this? Please respond. Thank you, Bioteki. Then what about 32%? Now it is all about addition. Na? Percentages earlier was a complicated multiplication process. Now we have simplified it into a simple addition process because multiplication is repetitive addition. That is a core idea by which this is working, nothing else. Multiplication is nothing but repetitive addition. So that is what we are using here. So 32%, answer it in the chat very fast. 32% क्या होगा? 31% पता है तो उसके साथ एक 12 ऐड करना काफी है ना? If you know already 31%, add a 12 to that because 1200, 1% is 12. I'm setting one example 1200 so that the explanation will be faster. After that, you can change 1200 to any number and try. That is what you need to do homework. So 30%, 360, 2%, 24 added, it is 384. All of you understood, right? Then 33% के लिए just add one more 12, 396. 34%, just add one more 12, 408, and so on. Yeah, when you are reaching this 33%, just have a quick recap how you used to do this in your paper math. 33 by 100 into 1200, cancelling zeros, 33 into 12. All those multiplication, all those writing in the paper can be just avoided by just thinking differently. All of you understood this, now? Then what about 19%? Answer faster. 19%. This is like a preliminary topic that you need to learn to understand other topic also faster. Because in between other topic also you will be seeing a lot of percentages or ratios or fractions coming. All of you try. 19%. 19% फाइंड करने के लिए 10% plus 9% ऐड कर सकता है, but is that the smart way? No. 20% से 1% कम करना है the easier way. Very good. All of you, some of you already got it. From 20% subtract 1% because 10% plus 10%, 20%. Again, have a geometrical idea when you are thinking about percentages. Don't think that it is just like some numbers only. Understand the magnitude of the numbers. When you hear 20%, 10% इतना है तो 20% उसका double. उससे 1% कम करना है. From 20% you need to subtract 1%. 20% is 10%, 120 plus 120, 240. 1% will be shifting 2 decimal to the left, 12. 240 minus 12 will be 228. All of you clear? How to 28? If that is clear, what about 18%, 17%, 16%? Can you answer faster? 18, 17, 16, all you can answer. Okay, very good. Find the rest also. 17% also, 16% also. Let me just check. I'll tag the link of the channel once again, those people who want. Telegram channel associated with this course, where all the study materials and PDF also will be uploaded. Okay, that is the link of the Telegram channel tag. So all of you got it right. 18% के लिए 20% 240 से 12 24 कम करना काफी है. Yeah, actually I have given subtraction addition also how to do logically. I have given lectures in my Vedic math classes. Check out the other lectures in this channel. You may get lectures on that itself. 17% will be one more 12 subtracted, right? From 240 you need to subtract 12, 12, 12. 36 you should subtract. That should give you 206. Sorry, 204. 16% है तो one more 12 subtract करना है. Okay, now moving on. What about 51%? What about 51%? How to find 51%? One way is you can find 10%, add it 5 times and then add 1%. But is it the smart way? No, that is not the smart way. You have to connect it with some other fraction which is easier. All the previous example we have connected to the fraction 1 by 10 or 1 by 100. Now, don't limit your understanding with 1 by 10 then 1 by 100 understanding only. You can try other fraction percent comparison also. 51% find करने का easy तरीका 50% के साथ 1% add करना है. 50% of the number is nothing but half of the number, na? That all of you know, right? 50% is half. So, आधा करना उसके साथ 1% ऐड करना. आधा 1200 है तो आधा 600 हो गया. And to that 600 if you add 1%, that is 12 added, you will get 612. All of you understood how 612 is the answer? Just imagine, paper math ऐसा करना था. 51 by 100 into 1200. 0, 51 into 12. Why waste all that time where you can just add 600 plus 12? Are you getting this? So 51 612 है तो 52 612 plus 12 624 होगा. 53 636 होगा. 48% क्या होगा? What will be 48%? The mobile application link also is given. You can click on it and download the mobile application. There also you can see many free resources. We are trying to make a separate group in the mobile application, a batch itself, so that you can access all the videos and access all the materials from that batch itself. Download it. In few days we will try to implement it. So 48% already, many of you already got 48%. 50% से 2% कम करना है. From 50% you subtract 2%. 50% is half of the number 600. 1% is 12. 1% is 12. 2% will be 24. 600 minus 24, 576. 576. So 576 will be the answer. Again, just imagine, whenever you do a smarter way, just imagine how you used to do it earlier. I think most of you used to do it 48 by 100 into 1200. Na? Some of you who are good with mental math may have already done this way earlier. But just understand from where to where we are reaching. That itself will give you confidence to try many chapters. Okay, so 576 clear है ना. 47% है तो one more 12 subtract करना है. 46% है तो one more 12. Then what about 24%? What about 24%? Thank you, Denim, for the good words. Don't worry, Manju, which part you have doubt on, identify it and rectify it. Very good. Already got it. So 25% फाइन करने के बाद 1% सब्ट्रैक्ट करना इजी है. एक नंबर का 25% क्या है, उसका क्वार्टर करना है ना, क्वार्टर, because 25% is connected to the fraction 1/4. 1/4 karna, you can do 1/4 into something, but that is not the logical way. We are trying to do logically, right? Half karna, uska half karna, that is better than taking 1/4 at once. 1200 half 600, 600 half 300. That is easy. Some of you may say you directly know 1/4 of 1200 is 400. Sorry, 300. I agree. बट 1200 के जगह सम अदर नंबर्स है तो वो हाफ आइडिया बेटर होगा. लाइक 1350 है तो उसका जस्ट डायरेक्टली 1/4 लेना मुश्किल होगा, लेकिन हाफ करने के बाद हाफ करना बेटर होगा, फास्टर होगा. इफ यू प्रैक्टिस वेल, या आई एग्री दैट हाफ करना ऑल्सो इज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड फॉर सम नंबर्स. देयर यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस बेटर हाउ टू थिंक फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. That is another idea. In upcoming classes, I will include all this. Okay, so 300 minus 12, 288. I hope all of you understood it. 76%. What about 76% of 1200? Like, you think that in an exam is out of 1200. 76% is the cutoff. So how much mark is the 76% you want to know? You want to calculate in your mind. Yes, Raya, everything will be covered. Try these. Check out the beginning of this class and check out yesterday's class. I have given a proper idea how we will be following, how we will be continuing in this course. So 76% फाइन करने के लिए 75% फाइन करो. वो फाइन करने का इसी तरीका क्या है, 25% 3 बार ऐड करना बेटर है ना. Yeah, when you write it down like this, you may feel that this is too many steps, but your mind is much faster than your pen or than your hand. That is the most important thing. You don't have to write any of these things now. You just have to think. 1200 ka half 600, 600 ka half 300. 300 is 25%. 300 plus 300 plus 300, 900 is the 75%. 975%, to that just add 1%. That will make 90. 900 plus 12, 912. All of you following this, please respond. 912. Very good. Many of you done it. Yeah, some of you done 50% plus 25% plus 1%. That is also fine. The idea of breaking down into simpler things. If something is complicated, break it down and make it simple. That is a basic idea we are doing here. So 912 clear hai. Then what about 97% of 1200? 97%. Find 97% fast. Very good, very good. 97 find करने के लिए if you want you can do 50 plus 40 plus 7. But is it the better way? No. Complement idea you can use here. Complement. 100 से 3 कम करिए. 100 तो easy है ना. 100 मतलब 1200 का पूरा 1200 चाहिए. वो 1200 से 3% which is 36 subtract किया तो या एक subtraction का भी Vedic math techniques hai. Check out my Vedic math lectures if you want to learn that also. Nikhilam Navachacharam Dashada, there is a Sanskrit sutra by which the subtraction also can be done fast using the complement idea. So anyway, that is another topic. So 1200 minus 36, 1164 will be the answer. All of you understood this much? So the idea was to connect it with percentage, connect it with fractions as much as we can. So which all fractions we already have connected? Let's have a quick roundup of that, quick review of that. First we connected with 10% now. Look at this flashcard. These flashcards also I will share in the Telegram group. You be part of the Telegram group and the mobile application. There you will get all these materials. So 1 by 10, 10%. 1 by 2, 50%. We have used that also. 1 by 4 is 25%. We have used that also. Till now, this much connections only we have used. And 1 by 1 is 100%. Now, what about the other percentage fraction connection? Let us see. What if the percentage asked is something else, like 12.5% of 1200, GST. If GST is 12.5% of something, how to calculate it? For example, 12.5% of 1200 itself. 1200 rupee you are getting from somewhere like a pay. But you have to pay 12.5% as GST. Then, how much money you have to pay, you need to know. How to find that? 12.5% is half of 25%. Now, Shaya mobile application name is Christy's classes. The link is tagged in the chat. In Android Play Store, if you search also, you will get. So 12.5% of 1200 is 25% half of it. 25% is half of 100%. ना उसका एक और हाफ करिए. 1200 का आधा 600, 600 का आधा 300 हो गया 25%. उसका आधा 150 होगा 12.5%. Are you understanding this? So 12.5 is also a special percentage, or it is a easy fraction. What fraction? Half of half means it is 1 by 8th. Na? So 12.5 is nothing but 1 by 8th of the number. 33.33% is nothing but 1 by 3. 33.3333 recurring. 1 by 3 because 100% by 3 is 33.33. Na? Are you all understanding? And 16.66 is half of this. That is 1 by 3 ka aadha, 1 by 6. Again, you should be flexible with percentages and fraction. That will help a lot to do many questions better. That will make you involved into the question also easily. Because you are getting a proper idea. When you hear 49%, you exactly know, okay, it is less than half, little less than half. Aisa sochna better hoga. That itself will give you better perspective of a question. I'm not only saying about this chapter. Many chapters में ये बहुत useful होगा. Probability chapter में भी बहुत useful होगा. Because probability is like making everything 100 को 1 to 1, 0 to 1 में shift कर रहा है. So that is like percentage को fraction में convert कर रहा है ना, literally. Okay, so anyway, if that is clear, I think these values are also clear. 12.5 is 150 of this 1200. 33.33% is 400. 16.66 is uska aadha, 1 by 3 ka aadha. Then what about 66.66%? 66.66% is double of 33.33%. 1/3 ka double, 2/3 hoga. So 400 ka double, 800 hoga. Is that clear? Any doubts? 12.5 में doubt है? Okay, some of you have doubt about 12.5, 33.33 and 16.66. So I will repeat once again. 12.5% is actually 100% by 8. You can check it in the calculator also for the time being. 100 by 8 is 12.5. By 8 means what? By 2 means half karna. By 4 means half of half karna. Because 4 is 2 into 2. Half into half or half of half. 50% was half, 25% was half of half, 25% का आधा है ना. Again, take a practical example if you are still not understanding. A juice glass or a glass full of juice. 50% means this much. 25% means that 50% is half na. 12.5 is even half of 25 because 25 by 2 is 12.5 now. Are you all understanding? That means half karna, again half karna. That is half of half of half. Half of half of half is 1 by 8. That means 12.5% is same as 1 by 8 fraction. Similarly, 33.33% is 1 by 3. 100%, if you divide this into 3 equal portion, एक chocolate piece है, 3 equal portion divide किया तो each portion 33.33% approximately है because 100 by 3 is 33.33. Are you understanding? Don't mug it up. Many people, the problem I have seen is even mental math also students are mugging up. 33.33, don't mug it up as 1 by 3. Just practically understand. If you divide 100% into 3 equal parts, 33.3333 plus 33.3333 plus 33.3333 added, you will get, yeah, I agree, 99.9999. But that is tending to 100, na? Yeah, there is a joke you may have also heard, like in Facebook or WhatsApp. Like if a cake is cut into 3 equal portions, every portion will be 33.33%. Then someone asks, where is that extra 0.00000001? And the answer was, it is on the knife maybe. But it is not on the knife actually. It is actually 33.3333. Unendingly it will go. That is why it is 100 itself. Because there is no other way to represent it. That is why we say approximately 33.33. So I think this much is clear. And so the idea is, now we have got more percentage and fraction connection. That means we can find more values easily. Na? That is the meaning. You can find more values easily. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 10 इतना पता था. अभी 1 by 3 भी पता चला, 1 by 6 भी पता चला, 1 by 8 भी पता चला. 1 by 5 ऑलरेडी पता है, क्योंकि 1 by 10 का डबल है 2. 1 by 10 डबल 2 by 10 ना. 2 by 10 is 1 by 5. 2 by 10 is 1 by 5. That is 20%. 20%, लेकिन फाइन करने के लिए 1 by 5 फाइन करने से भी easy 10% का डबल करना है. But if it is a multiple of 5, 1 by 5 फाइन करना बेटर होगा. That is the other thing. Okay. So now what is pending? 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 11. That also we will try to understand. Okay, Har Har Mahadev. 16.66 Biotech, if you find 33.33% by 2 in calculator. Those of you have doubt, please try this in calculator. 16.66 you will obtain if you half 33.33. 33.33 by 2, you will get 16.6666. And 12.5, 100 by 8 if you do, you will get 33.33. double is 16.66.66 now. What I am guessing, the problem is, some of you, when you see decimal values, the math phobia is pulling you from understanding that concept easily. You are understanding, but somewhere that decimal point when you see and decimal point values, school days there was a phobia which was created that decimal point values are always difficult. ऐसा नहीं है. Sometimes decimal point values are much easier. Like 31% फाइन करने से भी easy है 33.33% फाइन करना. 31 फाइन करने के लिए 30 और 1 ऐड करना है ना, लेकिन 33.33 फाइन करने के लिए just 1/3 फाइन करना है. So just because a value is in decimal points, that does not mean it is complicated. So I hope this much is clear. Yes, Swati, the Harpic ad, right? Or Lifebuoy ad, 99.99%. That's okay, Biotech. We will, yeah, all the problems or all the, what we can say, phobias related to math, we will try to conquer with this course. Have an open mind and attend. We will try to conquer all those troubles. So this is a summary of all the things I have told till now. So it is all about connecting percentages to fraction. So अभी 12.5% पता है तो 12.5 का multiple find करना भी easy है ना. 12.5% का multiples means for example 37.5 कैसा find करना है. 12.5 का 3 गुना होगा ना. It will be 3 times of 12.5%. 12.5% is halving. उसका 3 times करना है. Yeah, halving 3 times. To say it is taking some time, but to find it is very easy. Because 1200, 600, 300, 150, 150, that is 450 is the answer. Are you understanding? Isn't it better than writing 37.5 by 100 into 1200 and doing this multiplication? That is the whole point. So 37.5% is just triple of 12.5%. 87.5% पेपर मैथ में बहुत ही मुश्किल होगा, यस श्रेया। लेकिन मेंटल मैथ में ये पूरा 100% है, उसमें से 12.5% कम करना है। फ्रॉम द टोटल यू जस्ट नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 12.5%. 12.5% is half of half, we already know. Just subtract that from the full quantity, that is 1050 in the case of 1200. All of you are understanding this? Then 5% फाइन करने का, I agree that 5% पेपर मैथ में भी मुश्किल नहीं है, 5 into 12. लेकिन if you connect it with the idea we already discussed, 10% का आधा है, 120 का आधा 60, 120 का आधा 60, 2.5 उसका आधा 30. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? 2.5 करने के लिए 10 का आधा आधा करना, या 25% का 110 लिया तो भी चलेगा. इफ यू आर फ्लेक्सिबल विद दीज थिंग्स you can connect to fraction in whichever way you want. 7.5% means 2.5% triple करना है, 2.5% 3 बार ऐड करना है. Are you understanding? 2.5% फाइन किया तो उसका ट्रिपल होगा 7.5%. 17.5% फाइन करने के लिए 20% से 2.5% कम कर सकता है, या 10% से 2.5 3 बार ऐड कर सकता है. लेकिन उससे भी बेटर है ना 20% से 2.5 कम करना. There is another way also. You can find 175% and then subtract 25, then shift 1 decimal to the left. 32.5%. I am just giving you ideas now. Now it is your duty to develop this. Don't tell me the method for 32.5. It is not method. It is all same method itself. Now you just need to extend it to as many percentages as possible, and as many complicated numbers also. If you start expanding it, you will be able to do it. 32.5, either 30 plus 2.5 or 20 plus 12.5, all are fine. या 325% फाइन करने के बाद एक डेसिमल लेफ्ट शिफ्ट करो. 97.5% कैसा फाइन करना है? 100 minus 2.5 करना है, या 100 minus 25% फाइन करने के बाद एक डेसिमल शिफ्ट करो. ऐसा भी कर सकता है. विच इज कंफर्टेबल फॉर यू, डू अकॉर्डिंगली, बट डोंट डू दिस वे. दैट्स ओनली थिंग आई एम सेइंग. मेंटल मैथ हैव डिफरेंट perspectives. Whichever perspective of that you are taking, that is okay, provided it is giving you answers faster. So can you answer this 5 questions super fast? Manju, that is what I am saying. I cannot spoon feed you. I can only tell where the spoon is. That is the whole point of this class also. School days have spoon feed us a lot. That is why we are not able to find a different spoon when we need. But what I am going to tell you is where is the spoon and how to use it, rather than spoon feeding you. Because the whole point is, I told you how to find percentages. What is the perspective you need to use? Now you need to develop it to different numbers. Yeah, it is a challenge, I agree. But you need to take up that challenge, and once you take up that challenge, you will become masters in this. That is very important. If I tell you each small step now, you will not start thinking for a different example. That is why, can you try it? After that, I will help you out. So happy to hear, D. Brogley. If I take each example, the problem is I have to teach you some gate exam questions also today, where these percentages are applicable. So that also is the part of today's class. As per the schedule, we need to go. Adding more lectures on a single topic won't be possible. That is why we need to go a little faster. So all the 5 questions, all of you tried? %12.5% of 2000 फाइन करने के लिए 2000 का आधा 1000, उसका आधा 500, उसका आधा 250. There is another perspective also. Just listen. If you are getting it, take the second perspective. Otherwise, don't take it. First perspective itself is fine. ये 2000 है तो और भी easy है. 1000 के बारे में सोचो. 100 है तो 12.5% of 100 is 12.5. 1000 है तो 125 होगा, 2000 है तो 125 का डबल 250. इसको भी स्प्लिट कर सकता है. That is the whole point. The problem is in school days everything was very stiff. 2000 है तो 2000 will be 2000 itself. 12.5 है तो 12.5 will be 12.5 itself. But what I am saying is, you can split this if you want, you can split this if you want. You can play with it. Indeed, it is a very wonderful game if you start thinking it that way. So 2000 को भी I can split. 1000 था तो 12.5. 1000 था तो 125 because 100 है तो 12.5, 1000 है तो उसका 10 गुना 125 हो गया. So 2000 है तो 125 का डबल 250. That is another perspective. Similarly here also, if it is 1000 it will be 375. 2000 means 375 double 750. That way also you can think. But if you are not at all getting that way, 12.5 we already found it is 250. 250, 250, 250, 750. ऐसा भी कर सकता है. अभी 800 का 100% is 800. From that you subtract 12.5%. Half of 800. 800 का 1/8 डायरेक्टली भी कर सकता है. 100 कम किया तो you will get 700. Are you understanding? 700 how? 16.66% of 900. 900 का 1/6 डायरेक्टली लेना मुश्किल है तो 1/3 ले लो, उसका आधा ले लो. 900 1/3 300, उसका आधा 150. Are you understanding? So 300 का आधा, 300 क्यों? 1/3 300 है, उसका आधा 1/3 है 33.633%, उसका आधा. So 150. 66% of 2400. 1/3 will be 800. Double of that. 800 double 1600. Are you all following? And believe me, these kinds of percentages are involved in question many a times. So we have connected 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, 1/8, 1/9, 1/10. Now in between there is a 1/7. If possible, learn that also. That is not that fancy. That is why you have to separately learn it. But those who are interested, the decimal representation of 1/7, this is approximately 285614. It will repeat like that. That is called dancing numbers example. Those of you watch the movie Shagundala Devi, Hindi movie, there about dancing numbers it is explained. Otherwise just Google 1/7 dancing numbers. If you Google you will learn more about it. 14.285614. Likewise it will just repeat 1/7. ये देखो 285614 होगा, उसके बाद that will just repeat like that. Okay, so anyway, yeah, the good thing about this is if you know 1/2 to 1/10, 1/9 also we haven't discussed. 1/3 33.33 है तो 1/9 उसका 1/3 है ना, 11.11% होगा. 11.11%. वो पता है तो ये इतना पता है तो the good thing is you can make the double, triple, quadruple, etc. of that also. For example, if you know say, yeah, 1/3 already mentioned, so 2/3 clear हो जाएगा. 1/4 clear है तो 3/4 फाइंड करना easy है, या 75% उसका ट्रिपल होगा. 1/7 पता है तो 2/7, 3/7, 4/7 ये सब फाइंड करना इजी हो जाएगा. 1/8 पता है तो 3/8 होगा 37.5, या 37.5 होगा 3/8. या बी फ्लेक्सिबल. फ्रैक्शन समटाइम्स परसेंटेज कन्वर्ट करना है, परसेंटेज समटाइम्स फ्रैक्शन कन्वर्ट करना है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन यू नीड टू बी फ्लेक्सिबल विद दैट. 1/10 है तो 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10. Why I am not writing 2/10? Because 2/10 is already 1/5. That is already written here. Similarly, 4/10 is already 2/5. That is already written here. So the pending things are written. 1/11, yeah, 1/9, 11.11% means 2/9 is 22.22%. That means, for example, if you have a fraction, in case you are getting a fraction to solve like this, I will write like this. 4/9 times 360. 4/9 times 360, or I will take yeah, if it is 4/9 times 360 itself, and the options are in percentages. Options are in percentages. So here at least you can know that 1 by 9 of 360 is 11.11 percentage. 11.11 percentage means, or 1 by 9 itself you can find. Again, there according to whether the option is in percentage or fraction, you should be flexible. So 1 by 9 should be 1 by 9 of 360 is easy to find because 360 it is easy to find as fraction itself. Yeah, it will be better if it is like percentage asked. Yeah, percentage asked, that is what I meant. If it is like say 44.44 percentage of 360, there you should know that 44.44 is 11.114 times. That is 1 by 9 4 times. 1 by 9 is 1 by 9 of 360 is easy to find na. 360 by 9 40. Uska 4 time 40 40 40 40 160. And just creating a sample value to explain. But when we see original question paper, you will make more relevance or more connection. Now you keep it there itself, otherwise we have to spend a lot of time to understand that. So happy to hear Akshish. Thank you all of you for the good words. 3 बार किया आपने? Yes, 3 बार करना है ना? Because which one you were asking? 33.33 na? Okay, so now I think we can go to practical examples. Similarly 1.5 percentage है तो 1 percentage का साथ आधा percentage add कर सकता है. Very fast I am discussing and finishing it. We need to start questions very fast because it's already 12. So 1 percentage 12 है तो आधा percentage 12 का आधा 6 होगा ना. So वो दोनों का sum होगा 18. Are you understanding? 30.5 percentage, 30 percentage के साथ आधा percentage. And believe me, too much complicated percentages won't come in GATE exam. If it comes also, you can do this way. Otherwise, there is no other way. You can use virtual calculator. I'm not saying you should not. But unnecessarily don't use it to waste your time. Where you can just think it in your mind and do it faster. And second advantage, as I told, once you think, you are getting involved into the question automatically. That saves a lot of time. Not only in that step, the whole solution you will save a lot of time because you are getting into the question once you are applying mental math rather than calculator and getting a value and then getting the context of that value with respect to the question. That is a tedious process or boring process that will not encourage you to try more questions also. That is another problem. Practice Kavi, if you are following the mental math techniques and logical strategies, that will encourage you to practice more. That itself boosts your confidence a lot. 29.5 percentage के लिए 30 percentage से आधा percentage कम करना है. आधा percentage क्या है? 1 percentage का आधा. Again, this part if you have doubt, maybe on another class we will discuss. Now we will start questions. Otherwise, these examples, I will give you this PDF in the Telegram channel, Telegram group today. Yeah, there is a group also associated with the channel, discussion group. Those people who want to discuss, you can discuss there also. So anyway, all these percentages, even this 20.31 percentage of 1200, believe me, if you are good with mental math, you can do it. Can anyone try it? With this try, we will stop this percentage mental math. Then we will start questions. Exactly 1 year. Yes, Shreya. And those who felt this method is useful, do mention it through the like button, through the comments also. And share this video to maximum people. This is a general session not only for GATE exam, for any competitive exam where percentages or fraction are involved. Anyone who want to learn these techniques, you can share this video link to them. Now I am going to discuss GATE exam question related to this. Anyone tried this using mental math? Very good. Some of you already tried and got the answer. Wonderful, wonderful. So 20.31% फाइन करने के लिए 20% फाइन करो. 31% 0.31 है, लेकिन 31% फाइन करना पता है ना. उसका 2 डेसिमल शिफ्ट किया तो 0.31 मिलेगा ना. ये दोनों का सम है ना 20.31%. 20% क्या है? 120 120 240 होगा. 30% क्या है? 120, 120, 120, 360, 360 के साथ 12 ऐड करना है, 360 प्लस 12, 372, 372 होगा 31%, उसका 2 डेसिमल शिफ्ट किया तो 3.72, वो होगा 0.31%, बिकॉज 31% का 1/100 थे ना 0.31, and add it up, 243.72 will be the answer. And this is not an approximate answer, this is the exact answer, not an approximation. If you want approximation, you don't have to do this much, even that can be done faster. Like 20%, approximately a little more than 20% we can say. But did you understand? And just imagine from where to where we have reached. This was the step you did earlier. Even if you had virtual calculator, you need to enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the symbol 6, 7, 8 entries in your virtual calculator using that, not that handy virtual calculator. Instead, if you are flexible with this, I don't know whether now you are faster than the virtual calculator, but if you are flexible with this, believe me, you will be faster than doing that way, even with the virtual calculator. Because virtual calculator use करने के लिए first ये step write करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद वो enter करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद वो answer निकालना पड़ेगा ना. Why waste all those time? Exactly, Muskan. So yeah, actually there is a story of Birbal. It is claimed to be a Birbal story itself, that Akbar asked Birbal a question: what is the fastest thing in the universe? This is the logic I told. When written, it will look very lengthy. That is a problem of these things explained in book. The books I have written also, to explain these things logically, that is a bigger problem. Explaining in the class, it is easier, because we can connect to the students better. But in paper we write, this looks like a complicated process. So yeah, I was telling about the Akbar and Birbal story now. So Akbar was asking Birbal, what is the fastest thing in the universe? Birbal told, I don't know, and Akbar told that you should find it, otherwise you will be punished. And Birbal after some days came and told to Akbar, the fastest in the universe is the mind of a person or mind of a human being, because your mind can be faster than anything, right? Yeah, your mind can now go from here to USA and come back. Yeah, many of you are doing that in the class, right? Our mind travels a lot in the class. So that traveling a lot of mind, let us channelize to do mental math better. Because your mind is definitely faster than your pen, mind is definitely faster than your hand. So how much you can avoid for entering the values in virtual calculator also you need to use your hand, which is much slower than your brain, or much slower than your mind. Okay, so I hope you got an idea why math is not that boring, or math is why it is very interesting. Exactly, Naveen, mind is faster than speed of light. 50.24%, 50%, 24%, 24% का शिफ्ट करो, उसको ऐड करो, 602.88 मिलेगा. 39.97%, इधर 39 के साथ 0.97 या 40 के 40 से 0.03 सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. Are you understanding? Okay, I think rest will be there in the PDF. Try it. Rest will be there in the PDF. Try all of them. PDF will be there in the Telegram channel. The link is given in the chat. So these examples also. So this is a summary. To find all these percentage, it is all about splitting it up. Okay, now we will do some questions of GATE exam. We'll do some questions of GATE exam where percentages and fraction directly are involved, and in the upcoming classes also percentage and fraction indirectly there will be many application. So try this very fast. Yeah, I'll do one thing, I will set a timer also. Just a minute, let me check whether the timer is available, so that you get a idea how much time you are taking. Okay. Try this question. I'll give you 2 minutes. In this 2 minutes, please try. Yes, Shreya, kal ratio proportion hoga, ratio proportion. Flashcard also in the Telegram group you can check out. Thank you, Swati. Thank you so much, Geetanjali. Yes, PS Denim. Without visa and passport, you can travel. Yes, Surabhi. Very good learner. All of you support each other. So happy to see that you people are helping each other in the chat. Continue doing that. Yes, Muskan. Very good. Okay. Two minutes time. Try it fast. Okay. Yeah, there are other aspects of this question that is needed. Percentage is just one small aspect. That is what I told. That mental math I told you, that should be needed in between. So I have told you yesterday there are 15 methods by which you can do general aptitude questions. So here one thing you can do is a combination of taking example method and visual method. Some of you already got the answers. Wonderful, wonderful. So let's understand. Fiscal deficit was 4% of the GDP. Yeah, what is the technical meaning of fiscal deficit? If you know or don't know, that does not make much difference. Yeah, fiscal deficit, I think you people know, some of you at least, if you are if you read newspapers and if you follow online papers or online channels, you know what is fiscal deficit. But whatever it is, that does not matter at all. That is a point. And that is another problem I want to address also. Many people, some keywords in the question, you get trapped on that keyword, where that keyword is not actually relevant to find the final answer. GDP है, fiscal deficit भी है, और 2 years दिया है 2015 and 2016. Fiscal deficit was 4% of GDP in 2015. So now we are tabulating the data, and for convenience we are taking examples. What example I can take? Percentage wala chapter mein easiest example is 100, because out of 100 is percentage. So I will take, let GDP of 2015 be 100. GDP of 2015 be 100. Uska 4%, 4% of 100, you know, it is 4. Mental math, or you already know 4% of 100 is 4. Out of 100, so it is 4 itself. Of the GDP in 2015, and that increased to 5% in 2016. That is very important. You should read that sentence, or you should understand that sentence correctly. So 5% of the new GDP, but new GDP is unknown to us. So the problem is, when we read this part, that part to solve that, you need the next sentence. 5% in 2016 means 2015 का GDP का 4% है, 2015 का fiscal deficit. Similarly 2016 का GDP, वो हमें अभी पता नहीं है, उसका 5% होगा उसका वो ईयर का फिस्कल डेफिसिट. सो उसका जीडीपी क्या है वो फाइंड करने के लिए अगला सेंटेंस चेक करना है. टू फाइंड द जीडीपी ऑफ 2016 यू नीड टू चेक द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. जीडीपी इंक्रीज 10% फ्रॉम 2015 to 16. That means to the 100, 10% of 100, 10% of any number is shifting one decimal to the left, 10. 10 added to 100, 110 will be the GDP of 2016. Now this makes sense na. 5% in 2016 means ये 110 का 5%. Okay, use mental math, super fast. 5% कैसा फाइंड करना है? 10% 11 है, so 5% 11 का आधा 5.5 है. Are you understanding this? So 5.5 will be the fiscal deficit of 2016. Are you understanding the relevance? There you are not supposed to do 5 by 100 into 110. Each of the individual steps, if you are going to use paper math and virtual calculator, how much time you are going to take? So, and as I told, you will lose the context of the question. That is another thing. You will lose the context of the question once if you over depend on virtual calculator and if you over depend upon paper math. So anyway, इतना clear है ना? अभी कैसा final question क्या है? Percentage increase in actual fiscal deficit. Percentage increase in actual fiscal deficit. That means 4 था earlier fiscal deficit, अभी 5.5 हो गया. This is the next thing I want to tell you or I want to teach you. परसेंटेज ग्रोथ भी मेंडल मैथ से ईजिली कर सकता है. 4 is becoming 5.5. Logically think, you have 4 lakh rupee. You are investing that in some financial equipment and you are getting 5.5 lakh rupee or 5,50,000 rupee after some time. So how much percentage the money have grown? If it grown 4 lakh more, that is 100% grown. Na? Again, you connect what I taught you till now to this case also. Yeah, in paper math, this is done final value minus initial value by initial value into 100. That is a growth percent formula. But that is a rot learned formula. We are trying to avoid all rot learned formula and understand it logically. Na? So ये 4 5.5 है तो कितना परसेंटेज है? वो either ये होगा, ये होगा, ये होगा, ये होगा ना? Just to get a context, is it 10%? 4 का 10% क्या है? 4 का 10% 0.4 है. 0.4 ऐड किया तो 4.4 मिलना चाहिए, 5.5 नहीं. तो 10% आंसर नहीं हो सकता. As many of you are beginners, I am telling how to use options. Otherwise, you don't have to do this way. I will tell you that also. 25 can it be the answer? 4 का 25% ऐड किया तो 5.5 मिलेगा या नहीं? That is the meaning. 4 का 25% फाइन करना इसी है ना. 4 का आधा 2, 2 का आधा 1, 1 ऐड किया तो 5 मिलेगा, 5.5 नहीं. तो ये भी गलत है. अभी ये 37.5 थोड़ा और इसी है ना फाइन करने के लिए. चेक करेगा. 4 का 25% of 4. You have to think this, not write this. 25% of 4 is 1. So 37.5% क्या है? Sorry, 25% will be 1 second. 25% ना. 4 आधा 50. Yeah. 37.5% will be to the 25%. You have to add 25% का आधा. 25% का आधा क्या है? 1 plus 0.5. That is 1.5. Exactly 1.5 added, you will get 5.5 now. That will give you option A as the answer. Are you all understanding? Yeah, what I did is at the time of exam, you don't have to try this option. I'll tell you that. Did you understand this much or not? First tell me that. How 37.5 will be the answer? Actually, what you need to do is, you need to understand how to do this mentally when you see this itself, even if options are not there. For that you have to see 4 if it is becoming 6, that is 4 के साथ 2 add किया. 2 is half of 4. Half is 50%. So this is 50%. 5.5 is less than 50%. So we can say 4 becoming 5 है तो 4 का quarter 1 add किया. 1 is 25%. Again, you should be flexible with mental math, then only you can do that way. So that is 25%. So 25% से भी ज़्यादा है, 50% से भी कम है. So दो ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट हो गया. अभी 5.5 मतलब एक और 0.5 ऐड किया है ना. एक और 0.5 ऐड किया मतलब 4 का हाफ ऐड किया, 12.5 ऐड किया. सो 25% और 12.5 37.5 ऐड किया है ना. आर यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? इफ नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग डोंट स्ट्रेस योरसेल्फ. ये ऑप्शन यूज किया, दैट इफ इट इज क्लियर दैट इटसेल्फ इज फाइन. अदरवाइज इफ दैट ऑल्सो इज नॉट क्लियर, for the time being you use the paper math. For the time being, till you be experts in this, 1.5 by 4 into 100 कर सकता है. Okay, now tell me which part specifically you have doubt. I have prepared written material also for most of the questions. First tabulate the data. Taking example method use किया. First we use taking example method to simplify the question. उसके बाद मेंटल अरिथमेटिक यूज किया एंड दैट गिव यू 37.5%. प्लीज टेल हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर क्लियर. दोस ऑफ यू आर नॉट क्लियर प्लीज स्पेसिफाई. दोस ऑफ यू मिस द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्लास, प्लीज चेक आउट दैट रिकॉर्डिंग, देन ओनली यू विल गेट क्लैरिटी. So I will do one thing, we'll discuss one or two more questions for more practice. Yeah, this was the question in 2022 NET exam. I will just adjust the slide a bit for it to be more visible. Yeah, I'll start the poll also, start the timer also. 2 minutes for trying. I think it is properly visible. Latest GATE exam problem, 2022 February GATE exam. This question was asked. This is almost same as previous question, na? Any answers? Don't worry, Manju. Continue attending the class. You will get more clarity. Manish, now it is visible, na? I have adjusted the slide. Please refresh and check. Now clear. Yes. Okay, due to lack of time, I will start explaining. Almost 2 minutes you got. In a recently conducted national entrance test, boys constituted 65% of who appeared in the test. The problem is we don't have any idea how many people appeared in the test. So taking example can be taken because a comparison is needed. The total number of people is not asked. That is why we can take an example. So boys, girls. टोटल बॉयज कितना होगा 100 अस्यूम करो. टोटल गर्ल्स भी 100. जस्ट इमेजिन टोटल बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स आर 100. 65% of who appeared, sorry, not 100, total is 100 you assume. I made a mistake. Boys and girls together, if it is 100 people, total 100 people. Question says 65% was boys. So 65 out of 100, that is out of 100 into 165 itself. Remaining 35 will be girls. Girls constitute remaining candidates and they accounted for, girls accounted for 60% of the qualified candidates. So now the qualified candidates I am writing qualified candidates, 60% of the qualified candidates. Okay. Yeah, we don't have the qualified candidates number. That is the other problem. Yeah, actually now instead of calculating it, check each option and what we need to calculate, that first we will find, instead of finding each of those values, because that is not necessary. So equal number of boys and girls qualified. No, this option itself says 60% girls qualified means only 40%. 60% of any number, whatever be that number. Let this qualified number be x. Uska 60% girls hai. 60% girls hai means 0.6x and 0.4x boys hoga. वो दोनों equal नहीं है anyway. For telling that you don't need calculation at all. Equal number of boys and girls appeared for the test. No, 65 and 35 are not equal. So this is clearly wrong. The number of boys who appeared for the test is less than number of girls. No, 65 is not less than, it is more than. So this is also wrong. Number of boys who qualified the test is less than number of girls who qualified. Yes, 40% is clearly less than 60%. Na? Yeah, even tabulating the data was also not necessary if you directly understood. So definitely option D is the correct answer. As I told, if you are good with mental math, you will be more involved in percentage based question. That sometimes you don't have to calculate it, but you are clearly knowing 60%, 40%, 60 है तो बाकी 40 होगा. वो सब ideas clear हो जाएगा. Because mental math में वो idea based itself we are doing percentages ना. To find 60% of a number, you can find 100% minus 40% also. I hope all of you are following. So that was a 2022 GATE exam problem. Option D is the answer. Mathematically, if you want to represent, you can represent like this. For further reference, I have mentioned it. It's already 12:28. Let me see one more question if possible we'll discuss. Yeah, this is a fraction based question. Due to lack of time, I will start explaining. If you want, you can try, but listen. 2022 में ये question भी आया था. So both the numerator and denominator of 3/4 is increased. Tomorrow ratio proportion class I will show you little more fraction based question if time allows. Today we had to discuss that theory. That's why we took a little extra time. Both the numerator and denominator of 3/4 is increased by a positive integer x. That means 3 के साथ x add किया, 4 के साथ x add किया. And those of 15/7 is decreased by the same integer x itself. 15 minus x, 17 minus x. And the operation results in the same value, that is these two are equal. So this linear equation को solve करना है. No calculation needed, only simplification needed. And yeah, let me tell you one thing. ये ऐसा simplify कर सकता है, that is called mathematical direct method. But इससे भी easy होगा ना, options यहाँ substitute करना. Option substitute करना better होगा ना. Substitute 1 and C. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1. That is 4/5. Option A answer है तो. Elimination by substitution method. 15 minus 1, 14. 17 minus 1, 16. Cancel किया तो क्या मिलेगा? 7/8 मिलेगा. ये दोनों equal नहीं है, so option A eliminate कर सकता है. अभी option B में same try करो. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 15 minus 2, 13. By 17 minus 2, 15. ये दोनों equal नहीं है. So option B भी eliminate किया. Option C. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 15 minus 3, 12. 17 minus 3, 14. 12 and 14 cancels to give you 6/7. So this is equal. So option C is the answer. Are you all understanding? So there you can use a combination of direct method and elimination by substitution method together. Otherwise direct method से करने के लिए quadratic equation form करके cancel करके find करना पड़ेगा. That may take extra time in my opinion. That is why no, it is not 60% of 35% biotech. What is the total value? We don't know. I think some of you are confused about that previous question. यहाँ पे question saying 60% of the qualified candidates means 60% of the total qualified candidates, which we don't know. So X is the total qualified candidates. Uska 60%, that is 60 by 100 into X, that is 0.6X. Baki 0.4X, 40% qualified boys hoga. Are you understanding? That is a meaning. Vote, don't connect it with that initial 65%. No. Girls में 60% qualified ऐसा नहीं लिखा है. Qualified में 60% girls है. That all means different things. Again, you should be more familiar with terminologies, I guess. So, I think that much is clear. Then, I'll give you few more question. Monetary problem chapter में ये इसका ज़्यादा theory में discuss करेगा. Compound interest का theory है ये. परसेंटेज क्लियर है तो कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट का थियरी भी इजीली लर्न कर सकता है. इसका डायरेक्ट मेथड सॉल्यूशन दिया है, बट आफ्टर टीचिंग यू द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट थियरी आई विल टीच यू हाउ टू डू दिस फास्टर. सो दिस व्हेन वी डिस्कस मॉनेटरी प्रॉब्लम वी विल डिस्कस दैट, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्राई इट मॉनेटरी प्रॉब्लम. व्हेन वी डिस्कस आई विल डिस्कस दिस ऑल्सो. परसेंटेज बेस्ड है. ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस नीड्स परसेंटेजेस, सो आई विल recommend you to try these questions in the upcoming days and post your answer in the Telegram group also, and I will provide this PDF by today evening in the Telegram channel. So Telegram channel you all can be part of. Yeah, can you tell me how did the today's class go? This question you practiced today. If doubt is there, you ask me, maybe one doubt clearing session or something. If possible, I will conduct. So try this very simple solution I have given here. And this is another question. Iska bhi solution diya hai. So yeah, like to know your opinion about this lecture and like to know your opinion about this course as such. Any feedback also are welcome. Some of the things, there are time constraints. Yeah, let me tell you frankly, this free initiatives for me to, I have to spare a lot of my time for conducting this free initiative. Yeah, I believe that this is one of a kind free initiative, that a full length GATE course is provided for you for GATE 2023. There are other institutes, big institutes who provide full courses, but as an individual conducting a full length course is definitely a big challenge. So please invite maximum people. Happy to see more and more people joining, but we need bigger crowd. So that, yeah, it's a natural thing now. An educator will be more enthusiastic to deliver to a bigger crowd. Many of you have started teaching or taught somewhere or the other. Those people clearly know that we will be more enthusiastic to deliver the talk if there is a bigger crowd. So same thing is true for my case also. If a bigger crowd comes, I can also devote more of my time. I can also devote more of my time to prepare some more study materials for you daily. So please make sure you invite your friends. As I told, GATE exam is common for all engineering and pure science streams. So if you have any friends or cousins or relatives who are preparing for GATE engineering stream or pure science streams, invite them. These questions are homework questions based on GATE percentages and fraction came in previous GATE exams. So take an effort to invite your friends, take an effort to mention what you felt about the class after the class as a comment. That itself, that is actually YouTube algorithm works like that. If more interaction is there on a video, that video will be promoted and that video will be getting more views. So definitely that will be more encouraging for giving such free videos daily. Yeah, to be frank, last few months I was not able to concentrate on my own channel. I was concentrating only on my classes on Unacademy and other platforms. But now I am thinking like devoting more time for you people in this free initiatives also, if you people are supporting. So the support, what I need is to help others know that this course is running, and whether if you felt it is useful, recommend it to maximum people. And CSIR-NET aspirants, many of you are preparing for CSIR also, na? For CSIR-NET aspirants, we have started a full-length course in the Unacademy platform, Unacademy CSIR-UGC NET category, I have started the full length course from today morning. That also you are welcome to join, but that is a paid course. So if you already have plus subscription, you can attend it, or if you want to take plus subscription, you can take plus subscription and you can access that class also. Yeah, those of you want to see the details of that. Complete course for GATE we are running in YouTube channel. Complete course for CSIR we are running in the Unacademy platform. There, just like GATE, CSIR-NET previous year questions will be discussed in a similar manner itself by discussing theory and previous year questions and practice question and PDF of those solutions also. Yeah, in-depth solutions are provided there also. So this is the details of that course, and to be part of this course you can take Unacademy plus subscription, and Unacademy plus subscription, this is the code you need to use to access my classes at maximum discount, and all my 65 courses you can access by taking Unacademy plus subscription with the referral code CC10. More details you can see in the Telegram channel or Telegram group also. So this is a full-length complete course for CSIR. Complete theory, previous year questions and practice questions are discussed. It is useful for all science stream students only, because CSIR-NET exam is only for science stream. Engineering students, the GATE course is the course that I am offering for you. CSIR-NET course is for science, pure science stream students, that is life science, mathematical science, physical science, chemical science and earth science students. So yes, but as a practice course for GATE, SET and PhD exam, this course also will be useful. The complete course for CSIR also will be very useful. So that's it. Thank you, Biotechy. Thank you for the good words. Thank you, Swati. Thank you, Tonio. Thank you, Asta. So happy to see very good comments from many of you. So Naveen, yeah, you're welcome, Naveen. Thank you so much for the good words. Thank you, Muskan. Thank you, Avinash. All of you. A lot of comments. So happy to hear. 2022 exam questions. Now, Vijaya, yeah, in the upcoming classes we will take. That question you have doubt on, we will try to. Deepak, thank you. All of you. If I missed any of your names, one word, thanks to all. Thanks to all the support. Keep supporting, and we will try to cover all the topics elaborately as much as I can through this course. 50 lectures I am devoting, that is almost 50 into 1.5, 75 hours I am trying to devote you for the live classes. Yeah, for 75 hours live classes we have to at least spend 150 hours, double the time extra to prepare all these content. So please invite maximum people, let more people join. Tomorrow's topic is ratios and proportion, which is connected to percentages and fraction itself, but questions are coming in different ways. Yes, 60% of 35% is less than. Yeah, that I agree, Biotech. But why 60% of 35 and why 40% of 35? Okay, so that's it. Let's conclude for today. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. See you all tomorrow 11 AM with the next lecture. Have a good day. Bye-bye.